Hey guys, welcome back. So today's session we will learn about absolute references in Excel. So let's get started. Okay, so if you see over here and if you want to, so if your company decides to give you a bonus of 100 bucks, okay, so what you will do, the bonus, previous bonus what was this and new bonus is this. Okay, so what you will do is you will type equal to this plus 100. Okay, so the result is 1100, and in order to calculate this it will be this plus 100. So if I just drag and drop, if I just move this cell again forward, copy this formula, if you see, the Excel has automatically detected C4 and for in this case C5. However, I have just typed C3. So what Excel is doing is it increments this cell value also. Okay, so let's say you your company decides that the bonus which you were getting currently now needs to be modified based on some percentage. Okay, so let's say you are getting a 10% bonus on this amount itself. Okay, so what will be the formula will be equal to this into, this is the percentage set, okay, plus this will give you the percentage as 100,000 into 10% is 100 plus this cell again. So what this gives is 1100. However, if I just drag and drop this, what do you see over here? Why is the percentage not calculated for this cell or this cell? The reason is, if you see over here, Excel has copied C4 reference into I3. So I will just remove this margin center. Okay, so if you see over here, this cell is stored, this data is stored in I2 and I3 is blank. In the similar way, I4 is blank and I5 is blank. So what you needed is you want this I path to be fixed. So how to do that? In order to do that, what you need to do is make this cell fixed. So one way to do is press F4, or else you can type dollar in between I I2 and P before I2. So I will just press F4. Okay, and if I press it again and I just refresh this formulas, you see these formulas have got repeated. Okay, it has calculated the value over here also, over here also. So in other words, if you try to implement this formula without using the dollar sign, what you can do is you can copy this every time. Okay, but copying this every time is not a good solution, because that will uh, increase your workload. Also, it won't look nice. So let's say if I plan to keep it fixed, and in this case I will just type manually dollar dollar. So let's say if you plan to keep it fixed, okay, and you want to change the formula over here. Okay, so what I will do is I can change this formula anytime I need. So just need to change the value over here, and boom, your new bonus is calculated. Okay, so that was it for the day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.